I think somebody's living here. What's going on, everybody? My name is Jonathan. You're watching Sonic Speed. I hope you're having a great day. So we just got a package in the mail. I think I know what it is. It's right over there. It's a part that I've been waiting for the Chrysler. Thank God we already bought the grill for it. We already got the bumper. The grill's in there. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not. Anyway, so we already got the bumper. I believe this is what the light is. Let's go ahead and check it out. See if it is what we hope it is. Okay, guys, so we just came inside the house, so we don't have to be outside in the hot sun. Let's go ahead and open up the box and see what it is.
Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open.
Okay, guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and open up the other package here. As you can see, it's the bumper. We got it locally. It is not an original bumper, but it is a new bumper.
Close and friends. If you OPN, and take the high road and hop
in. So we went ahead and we brought all the parts out. Let's go ahead and start taking apart the car so we can get the new parts in.
Butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. You OPN, hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up. Open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
Alright, guys, so we got the bumper and grill together, as you saw. We just need to get the little lower fog light covers on, and then we'll be good for that. So for right now, let's go ahead and get the the driver's side headlight on. You actually need these two. They're T30 screws. That's for the headlight. One side doesn't have them, so I'm gonna see what I can do. But let's go ahead and get started with installing that now.
Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
Guys, there was actually 3 T30 bolts that we had to take out. I noticed it when I was putting on the other one right now. But as you can see, it's on there. The other one's on there as well. I went ahead and got one of the bolts and just put it on that one. Alright, guys, so I've got a nice surprise here. Let's go ahead and unlock the car so I can go ahead and show you. And I like it anyway. So guys, as you can see, this is the stock headlight, one that came with the car. And This is the other one that came with the car. I don't know if you guys can tell a difference. But one of the headlights actually has an LED headlight in it. It didn't come in by coincidence. I actually did install it beforehand. I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys on camera how it looks. It looks really cool. We just got to make sure that it actually does work with the car. So sometimes they might work like this, but once you turn on the car, they could actually turn off. Let's go ahead and check that out now. You see how that one just cut off? That means resistors are needed. Okay guys, so installation of the resistors on the headlights is actually really easy, because for the headlights there's only 2 wires here. So the only way the resistor can go is on one of 2 wires, so it goes on one and then on the other one. However, for signal lights it's a little different. I do have a video of that on my channel, so you can go ahead and check it out too if you'd like, as far as installing resistors on switchbacks for turn signal lights and stuff like that. So I was able to go ahead and get the resistor installed on the headlight, so now it's still on, it's not turning off. Yeah, it's still on, it's not turning off. The resistor I use is actually one of these kinds right here, as you can see. I bought it from eBay, but the company is actually called synetikusa.com. They don't sponsor me, but I bought resistors from them along with switchbacks many times in the past. I've never had any trouble with them. They're actually a really good company. I'd highly suggest them. Again, it's synetikusa.com. You can go ahead and check them out. I'll put a link in the description so that way you can have easy access to it. But yeah, man, I mean, the lights that I get from are switchbacks and they work really good. The LEDs I bought are not from Synetic USA today, but I mean, the resistors do work, so that's awesome. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started with the other side so that way we can go ahead and finish it. Now for the moment of truth, if everything's plugged in well, we should be good to go. Let's go ahead and check it out. Oh no, we're tilted, hold on. Alright guys, so by now, if the lights were bad, we would have actually had a problem already. The lights would have turned off, but they haven't, so we're good to go, guys. We got the headlights on, everything's looking good. Let's go ahead and get started with the bumper. Alright guys, so we're in the Chrysler 200. As you can see, I'm sweating. It's a very nice, supposedly it's only 90 degrees, but it's freaking hot. So as you guys heard, there's somebody knocking inside the car. For my guess, it's a actuator for the AC, just clicking, just because the motors are made of plastic, so they wear out fairly easily. So in the next video, we're gonna go ahead and be working on that, as well as changing the air filter or air intake filter housing. Yeah.
If you like this video, leave a thumbs up. If you like this video, like really like it, subscribe when we edit it. And I hope you like this video.